At this point, ito na.
Ayan.
Ito na ang pinakakantay nating lahat.
Oo nga.
Excited ka na ba?
Yes!
At syempre, isa sa mga the newest artist at talagang hinahangaan ng lahat. At sila ay mula sa It's Showtime TNT Duets Season 1 Grand Champion and your praise sounds familiar Season 4 Grand Winner Mr. JM De La Serna and Mariel Montiliano aka Jimmy!
Salamat, guys! You ready? Let's go! Yeah!
Another song, please sing with us. Baby, when I met you, there was peace alone. I set out to get you with a fine tooth comb. Now was soft inside. There was something going on. You do something to me that I can't explain. Hold me closer when the feeling no pain. Every beat of my heart, we got something going on. Tender love is blind, it requires no dedication. All this love we feel needs no conversation. We ride it together, making love with each other. Come on. Islands in the stream, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world. We rely on each other. From one lover to another. Come on.
I can live without you if the love was gone. Everything is nothing if you got no one. You did walk in the night, slowly losing sight of the real thing.
But that won't happen to us, and we got no time. Too deep in love, and we got nowhere out. The message is clear. This could be the year for the real thing.
No more will you cry, maybe I will hurt you never.
We started as one, in love forever. We can ride it together. Making love with each other. Come on, islands in the stream. That's what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world. And we rely on each other. From one lover to another. Street, that is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world. And we rely on each other. From one lover to another.
One more time.
Hey. That is what we are. No one in between. How can we be wrong? Sail away with me to another world. We rely on each other. From one lover to another. Yes! Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much.
Uy, may energy pala. Pwede bang isa? Makarinig pa kami ng isang sigawan. 3, 2, 1, go!
Ayun naman pala. Parang nahiya lang siguro sila sa atin. No? Magandang gabi po ulit sa ating lahat. Ako po si Mariel.
At ako na po si JM at kami po ang
Jingle!
JM.
Ayan, masaya po kami na makasama po namin kayo ngayong gabi. Siyempre, actually, it's our second time na dito,
Yes,
no?
so thank you so much again sa lahat po ng mga bumubuo. No? And Father, thank you so much po again. Salamat po.
Father GT.
Mamaya ay papasalamatan natin lahat ng mga importante tao. No? So, yes, di na po namin papatagalin ito. No? Ngayon ay kakantahan kayo ng ating binibini si Mariel Monteliano. Palakpakan naman natin, everyone. Let's go, Ma.
Maraming salamat, JM.
Ikaw
We
muna,
will
ikaw
see
muna
more
dyan.
of JM later. Okay, handa na po ba kayo sa aking mga hinandang awitin? Okay, alam po namin na kami po ay inimbitahan dito para kantahan kayo. Pero if you feel like singing with me, you're welcome to do so po, okay? So, alam ko po marami sa inyo ang may alam ng kantang to for my first song. So, sabayan niyo po ako. Let's sing! Lying beside you, here in the dark, feeling your heartbeat with mine. Softly you whisper, you're so sincere. How could our love be so blind? We sail on together, we're drifted apart, and here you are by my side. You want them to sing? So now I love you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms, hoping you'll see what your love means to me. Open arms. Okay po kayo dyan? Okay, nakasan niyo po sa second chorus. Let's go! Kung dito, okay po ba kayo dyan? Living without you, living alone, this empty house seems so cold. Wanting to hold you, wanting you near. How much I wanted you home. But now that you come back, turn back into day, I need to stay. So now I come to with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms, hoping you'll see what your love means to Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Nagustuhan niyo po ba yun? Do you want more? Okay, so kung medyo classic yung kinanta natin, parang hinihingal ako. Kinakabahan ako. Pero kung medyo classic yung una nating kanta, para naman ito sa mga check. Yun, meron na po ulit. Okay, para naman po ito sa ating mga kabataan, mga young at hearts. Gusto ko yan, sir. Huwag lang natin pag-usapan ng edad. Opo. Opo, ano. Okay, here's something from Kichinalal. Let's sing. Mamaya po, bababa kami ni JM. Makikikanta po kami sa inyo dyan sa likod. Okay po ba yan? Okay, let's go! Sabay-sabay po tayo. May gusto ka bang sabihin? Ba't di mapagaling? Di makatingin? Sana'y huwag mo na itong palipasin at subukang latasin sa mga sinabi mo na sing! Ikaw nararapat sa that's right na tunay kong mamahalin. It's gonna be your turn this time. Sing! Wag na wag mo sasabihin na hindi mo na naman ito. Pag-ibig ko handa, ibigay ka pang kailangan mo. Mananakala, ano, na ako'y isang bigin na walang sasamay. Ba nito ay pakita, abot langit ang sa mga sinabi mo na ibang nararapat sa akin at tunay ko mamahalin. Pwede bang mas malakas dun sa una? Wag na wag mo sasabihin na hindi mo na naman ito. Pag-ibig ko handa, ibigay kay pagkakaroon mo. At sa gabi, sinong tutulong sa'yo? At sa umaga, ang hangin na hakapuso. Na hindi mo dadama ito. Pag-ibig one more time. Wag na wag mong sasabihin na hindi mo nadama ito. Pag-ibig ko handa, ibigay ka wag na wag mo sasabihin na hindi mo nadama ito. Pag-ibig ko handa, ibigay kay pagkakaroon mo. Woo! Tapos na po. Bye-bye po. Hindi. Joke lang. Maraming salamat sa pakikikanta po sa akin. Ano? Wait lang. Ay! Sorry po. Thank you, sir. Thank you po. Okay. Kuya, mamaya po ulit yung set ko. Pero this time, ladies and gentlemen, tatawagin ko naman po ang aking partner to serenade you with some beautiful songs, Mr. JM De La Serna!
Uli, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. If you know the song, please sing with me po. Di biro ang sumulat na awitin para sa'yo, para kung isang siraulo. Hello, tito. Sa aking pangina ng piano, taglado'y piling nilaro. Baka sakaling merong tono, na lang uspon. Tungkol saan naman kaya awitin para sa'yo. Di birong gawing suka ang titig sa tono. Sampuan aking diksyonaryo kung ang tugma'y di gusto. Basta't isipin di magbabago, damdamin ko sa'yo. You wanna sing with me? Napapanaginip ka kahit saan napunta. Araw gabi nalalasing sa tuwa. Kapag kapiling ka, araw gabi tayong dalawa. Hello po dyan sa taas, kamusta kayo? Pero ba tayo bumaba? Piluin mong nasabi ko ang nais kong ipatigil. Dapat mo lamang mabatid laman itong dibdib. Tila 10 daang awitin ang natapos ko biglain. Ito ang tunay na damdamin, tanggapin at dinggin. Araw-gabi nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi nalalasing sa tuwa. Kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi tayo dalawa. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Hindi po naka-play. Ano ba dito? Dalawa. Salamat po. Thank you so much po. Araw-gabi nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi nalalasing sa tuwa. Araw-gabi tayo dalawa. Araw-gabi tayo dalawa. Thank you so much. Araw-gabi tayo dalawa. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, once again, good evening po sa lahat. I'm JM de la Serna po. Okay lang po ba kumanta pa ng isa? Okay ba? Okay, sige, mga ating patagalin ito. Sir DJ, please play the music. Ayan, if you know this song po. Ako, alam niyo tong song na to. Kamukha mo si Paraluan nung tayo ay bata pa. At ang galing-galing mo sumaya, mapabugi man o cha-cha. Ngunit ang paborito ay ang pagsayaw ko ng ibig mo. Nakakaindak, nakakakilig, nakakatindi.
Balahibo.
Pagkagaling sa eskwela ay dinerecho na sa inyo. At buong maghapon ay tinuturuan mo ako. Kumalaksay! Kamalay-malay na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na ibig na tunay. La la, la la, la la. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Salamat. Lahat ng pangarap ko ay bigla lang natunaw. Sa panaginip na lang pala kita maisasayaw. Magkahawa ang ating kamay at walang kamalalay na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig na tunay. La 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 la, la la. Thank you so much. La 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 la, la 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 la, la la. Thank you. Another one. Magkahawa at wala kamalay-malay. Inuwan mo na ibig na tunay. Thank you so much po. Thank you, sir. Maraming salamat po. Okay, maraming salamat po. Babalik na po muna ako sa stage. Mamaya at babalik po kami dito sa baba. Okay po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Okay. This time, I'd like to call again my partner po, Miss Mariel Monteliano. Palakpakan naman po natin ulit. Thank you so much. Sana si Ma. Hello po. Okay, so balik po muna kami dito sa sa taas. Okay.
Palakpakan naman po natin once again, Mr. J.M. De La Serna. Okay. So, ito pong, hello po.
Oh,
Ay, mga,
sige.
hello
Dahan-dahan
mga
lang, dahan-dahan lang.
father.
Hello po, Father. Okay. And 3, 2, 1, smile. Dapat na po may flash. Okay po.
Intermission po muna.
Smile. Jump shot po, gusto niyo po. Thank you po, Father.
Thank you po. Okay, so, itong next na kakantahin po namin ni JM, medyo mahaba-haba po. So, like I said earlier, bababa tayo, JM.
Yes.
Bumaba ka na ba?
Oh, bumaba ako kasi nagigigil ako sa mga ano nga.
Grabe siya sa
audience
nanggigigil.
natin. Sarap ko routine eh. Di ko maisa-isa lang eh.
Wow.
Joke ano.
Okay, pero kakantahan po namin kayo and syempre manghihingi din kami ng kaunting participation from our guests dyan sa baba. Okay po ba yon?
Naku,
Huwag po
for sure alam nila tong song na
Yes.
next na kakantahin natin. No? So, if you know the song, please sing with us po. Huwag po kayong mahiya. Promise. Dadala kayo sa dadali namin kayo sa showtime. Okay, please play the music, sir. Thank you so much. Here's Air Supply Medley. Ayan, sa lahat ng mga Air Supply fanatics dyan. Sana gusto niyo po. When you say I miss the things you do, I just wanna get back close again to you.
But for now, your voice is near enough. How I miss you and I miss your love. And all the days that pass me by so slow, all the emptiness inside me flows all around, and there's no way out. I'm just thinking so much of you. There was never any doubt. I can't wait forever. If you say you'll be there too. Parang alam na mga father. I can't wait forever if you will. Mababa na ako, GM. Oh, it's worth it all. Spend my life alone with you. Hello po.
Again, good evening po sa lahat. I can see the pain living in your eyes, and I know how hard you try. You deserve to have so much more.
I can feel your heart and I sympathize, and I'll never
Mama, salamat po.
you ever. Thank you po.
To my life, I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna lead you. Sige, dito ako. I don't wanna hold you back from where you might belong. Come on! You would never ask me why my heart is so disguised.
I just can't live a lie anymore.
I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to say but goodbye. Thank you. Mama,
Salamat po. Thank you very much. You would never ask me why. Thank you po. My heart is so disguised. I just can't live a lie anymore. Thank you po.
I would rather hurt myself than to ever make you cry. There's nothing left to say.
Oh, goodbye.
No way that you say goodbye.
Tapo tayo sa likod.
Every time I see you on the race on the side, I scream good words in your head.
No more. And then the star in the sky, singing about your eyes like the
Spotlight. You know my heart is too drunk and it's lost and it's looking for another.
Thank you po. spin the pain of a life and turn it to the weekend morning and it's right. Thank you for, I'm trying to follow it 'cause everything I know, it's nothing till I get it to you. I'm a
Salamat po.
star.
Ano po? Yeah, salamat po. Thank you so much. Go! I can make the run stumble. I can make the final run.
And I can
I can be taken at the sound of the whistle. I can make no mistake in ground.
I can live tonight forever, or I can make it disappear by the dawn.
And I can make you every promise that has had to be made. And I can make all your demons be known. But I'm never gonna make it without you. Do you really wanna see me grow? Thank you so much, Joe. And I'm never gonna make it like you do. Making love. Dito naman po tayo. Let's go.
Thank you.
Out of nothing at all. Thank you so much po. Out of nothing at all. Hello po, kamusta kayo?
Thank you po. Dito naman tayo sa likod.
And thank you so much po. Here I am, playing with those memories again. Maraming salamat po. And just when I thought time had set me free, maraming salamat. Those thought of you keep taunting me. Oh,
Hi po. Feeling I never Pwede po ba ako dumaan dito? In every part of me.
yeah, pasensya na po. Alam mo ba, thank you so much. Only you can feel that space inside.
Thank you po.
So there's no sense pretending my heart is not ready. Just when I thought I was over you.
Thank you po for
Thank you.
singing.
Just when I thought
Stand on. Thank you po.
oh baby, those memories come crashing through, and I just can't go on without you.
Thank you po. Damien.
I've had a lot of big dreams,
Thank you po.
so much.
Balik tayo sa likod.
I've made a lot of memories. No, you could walk away, but you never do.
I've got a lot of
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you po.
No hearts to be around,
Thank you for coming.
but you never do.
I'm
I'm not easy to understand. Ah, dito pala kami. Sorry po.
But you hold on. Kanta muna tayo. Are you ready? And you say you love me
Just as I am.
Mother, you always treat me the best that you can.
Yan ang po. You say you love me, baby, just as I am, just as I am.
I want to love forever, to keep our world together.
And be the best that I can be, baby. Every time the world caves in on me,
Maraming salamat po!
Okay, ma'am, maraming salamat po. Nakakatuwa naman po kayo. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it po. Thank you sa mga nakisabay kumanta. Maraming salamat. So, babalik po ulit kami dito. Ngayon ay gusto po namin pasalamatan lahat po ng mga importanteng tao. Siyempre, palakpakan po natin no, ang ang mga mention po namin tonight kasi hindi po mangyayari no, ang special na gabing ito kung hindi po dahil sa kanila. Mahaba-haba ang ating listahan dito.
Yes. Sige, unahin na natin. Siyempre po, maraming salamat sa ating triple platinum sponsors. Of course, we have Governor Doktora Helen Tan. Palakpakan naman po natin. We also have Star Horse Shipping Lines. Thank you po. MCB Drug Manila. And syempre, andito din ang ating double platinum sponsors. Mayor Kuya Mark. And Vice Mayor Don Don and Mrs. Maggie Alcala. Palakpakan naman po natin sila. Bibilisan ko na po ito. Little Maddie Tea House, Attorney April Morales, Rodelia's Yama Cake, Johanna's Chicken Processing Center or JCPC. Ooh, ang dami fans. We also have Queen Margaret Hotel and Kim Sui Restaurant, our platinum sponsors.
Yes, nandiyan po sila Attorney and Mrs. Sherwin Fernandez, CDM Enterprises, Mr. and Mrs. Ramon Puache, or paano ba? Puake. Tama ba? O basta, Puache or Puake. Ferdy and Gigi Degala. Ayan. Ra Mendiola Construction. RA Mendiola Construction and Developer. Ayan. You know. Hello po. Good Silk Fish Broker Corporation. CSTC. Sariaya. Quezon. Nakakabulol to Sariaya. Ayan. Tama ba? Sariaya. Tama ako. Honorable Marcelo and Mayor Marvic Gayeta. Ayan, of course, dyan po si Buddies dito, parang laging fiesta. Wow.
Yes, we also have our gold sponsors. LA Clamor Construction Corporation, Mayor and Mrs. Eric Wagan, Dr. Monette Rubio, Councilor Mario and Vilma Medrano, Peter and Mariel Ang. Yes, Doctors Nilo and Zenaida Gret of Allenstern College. Woohoo!
Yan dapat.
Mrs. Jelly Granado Visconde, Mayor RJ Mia, Waycon Builders, Kota Realty and Development Corporation, Felix Chua Jr., James and Sheila De Rosas, Quezon Power Philippines Limited Corporation, and San Buenaventura Power Ltd Corporation. Marami-rami pa po
Pasalikod.
ito.
Okay.
More pa.
Ato na pala. Ayan.
Our silver sponsors, we have A&B Liner and RD Carol Pastrana, Unisan Sands, and Mr. and Mrs. Nilo Bornolia.
Yun, no? Our bronze sponsors naman po, New Tayabas Oil Mill or NTOM. Ayan. Ang ating, ay po ang Jen and Mrs. Ronnie Ilagan. Ayan. Our Vice Mayor Alwin Sardea. Ano po ang ating Abanador family. Hello po. Morris and Windy Santamena. Oceanic Merchandising. Mayor and Mrs. George Suayan. Vice Mayor and Mrs. Boyong Buonggaling. Tama? Buonggaling. And Vice Governor and Mrs. Third Alcala. And po Mayor and Mrs. Orlan Kalayag. Diyan po, DGMA Trading. Our Councilor Demia Maghirang. Ayan. Also, or Live Coco, tama ba? Or Live Coco Enterprises Incorporated.
We also have the SIA Law Office, GNS Kitchen, Clarity and Insights Consultancy, Mr. and Mrs. Eufemio De Silva, Mayor Ninong Erwin Pastrana, Green Telecom Lucena, Noemi Mariel, and Emmanuel Luces, Engineer Audie Lavares, Doña Choleng Beach Resort and Cagbalete Island, Engineer Madel Naka, Engineer and Mrs. Salvador Salvania, Pearl Energy Philippines Operating Incorporated and Mrs. Peachy Hagiwara, Mr. and Mrs. Luthgard Magno, and Jeanette De Chavez Tolentino. Palakpakan naman po natin
Yes!
sila
Natapos
lahat.
din! Ma'am, maraming salamat po. Yan sa-
Siyempre, nais din po namin magpasalamat kay Father GT. Nasaan si Father?
Father, maraming salamat po. We love you po.
Father,
Thank you, J.
thank you
Mills.
so much. Maraming salamat po sa pag-imbita po ulit sa amin. And siyempre sa aming J. Mills, mag-ingat!
Thank you so much, guys, sa effort and love po na pumunta dito, ma'am. Maraming salamat po. We appreciate
Yes.
you. Thank you.
And syempre, nais din po namin itong kunin ng opportunity na ito na magpasalamat po sa lahat po ng pumunta at bumili ng tickets, sumuporta po sa beautiful cause na ito. And sana po ay kung may mga pictures po kayo and videos with us or of us, pwede niyo po kaming i-tag, i-mention. Pwede nating, ano pa ba?
Your
I-post.
story.
Oo,
Oo.
dahil i-repost po namin yan ni JM.
At Mariel Monteliano
Yes.
and JM De La Serna. Ma'am, maraming salamat po.
Yes,
Okay,
nakikita
so-
nyo rin po kami sa It's Showtime or Showtime Online U.
Yes.
And syempre sa ASAP.
ASAP.
Yes. Supportahan nyo po ang mga ABS-CBN shows. Okay,
Okay.
are you ready for our,
Last
sadly, unfortunately, last song for tonight?
Ay, may pa ganun.
Oh,
Hindi po, kasi yung next songs, sa next ano din po,
next
ganap
event.
dito. No, para makabalik po kami. Ay!
Okay.
Thank you so much po.
Are you ready? Parang wala na silang energy.
Paisang sigaw naman dyan, oy. 1, 2, 3, go!
Ba't nyo kami sinisigawan?
Ay.
Charot lang.
Okay,
Hindi.
let's sing!
I must be crazy now. Baby, I drink too much.
But when I think of you, I long to feel your touch.
I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you.
Should have
Made my move and you looked in my eyes. 'Cause right now I know that you feel the way that I do. And I whisper these words as you lie here by my side. Oh, let's say, please say you love me too. These three words, they can change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Well, baby, I need you to know. Well, baby, I need a little somebody just to hold you. If you do, just reach out and I'll be
Mariel Monteliano, everyone!
JM De La Serna.
Maraming salamat po!
Alright! Palakpakan namin once again, Jimmy! Hi!
Grabe naman yung buhok natin.
Diyos ko naman! Ang ganda-gandang bata. Ay, hello po. Dati napapanood ko lang sa TV, ngayon nakakamayan ko na. Ay, nako. Ayan. At syempre, mayroon pa kayo maaabangan na shows ngayon? Oo, baka... Baka may invite pa kayo sa mga Facebook page nyo, anong social media accounts.
Yes, once again po, ako po si Mariel Monteliano on all my social media handles po.
Ako na po, si JM De La Serna. Ayan, maraming salamat
Thank
po.
you po.
Itag niyo po kami, upo kayo maya. Thank you.
Makahingi naman malakas ng palakpakan mo, Jimel! Thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Ayan! At syempre, nandito tayo ngayon sa isa